Hello everyone, welcome to join our online roundtable here. I'm Greta, also the host for the online roundtable here today. Nice to meet you all in air. 2020 has been a long year, and it is finally over. Fortunately, we can still hang here, relying on mutual trust, social unity, and technology to combat the virus together and making life better. Aetina, an edge AI solution company in Taiwan, also devotes to developing Nvidia Jetson platform to help customers. AI is not a new technology. However, edge AI is relatively new for people. Edge AI is famous for its low latency, compact design which brings convenience to weather users, and the normalization of wireless applications. With the advantage mentioned above, edge AI is gaining more confidence and acceptance among the public. We have not only presented diversified products, but also cooperated with abundance partners to implement AI solutions in our daily life. The beginning of a new year means more than just turning a page on the calendar. AI extends our vision of the future. Edge AI pushes us moving closer to the future life. For those who are not familiar with Nvidia Jetson, Nvidia Jetson is a series of compact embedded computer which carries system-on-chip from Nvidia that integrates ARM architecture CPU. Most importantly, it is a low-power system and mainly used for edge computing. Etina is Nvidia preferred partner, and we have made use of 5 modules, including Nano, TX2, Lanai, NX, and AGX Xavier on our respectively product. We have designed several carrier boards compatible with divergent Jetson module. Here with N810 with NX, X720 with AGX Xavier, N110 with Nano or NX, N310, N510, and N622 with TX2. These are standard versions for Jetson developed starter. We also provide customization service for those needs in specific markets. Let me pick up some of my favorite products to present you all. The first one is N810 with NX. It has been verified with Microsoft Azure IoT, help AI developers work with ecosystem, allows timely production. In addition, N810 supports multiple expansion slots, which includes M.2B key, E key, and M key, as well as one SIM card slot. The second one is X720 with 32G AGX Xavier. This is the most powerful platform we have. One of its expansion connectors interfaces are PCIe by 8 Gen 4 and USB 3.1 Gen 2 by 1. With its highest performance and extension function, customers could easily integrate it in any kinds of application. Finally, N110 with NX is also the Microsoft Azure certified product. The leading advantage of N110 is its size. The dimension is only 87.4 mm by 67.4 mm. Isn't it exciting? Do you think that's all? Of course not. Etina can offer more. We provide flexible, customized service for our customers. Etina recognizes that each client has their own unique requirements for their industrial embedded systems in varied applications. If you couldn't find a suitable product, we have in-house talented R&D team with decades of experience and knowledge in industry field to support you. We are your manufacturer, solution provider, and partner who has the ability ranging from circuit design, firmware optimizations, validation testing, and after-service to accommodate your individual requirements for the critical applications. In the past years, we already successfully developed ODM business with world-leading companies developing their niche products that are created by our pure custom, semi-custom, or minor custom service to highlight the feature of Etina's product, see through the difference among all the other providers. So, Etina believes in potential markets in communication for autonomous AI. We provide expandable connectors for 4G, 5G modules and Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. Furthermore, we have 10G LAN data card to be connected on the carrier board, which is suitable for factory or warehouse applications. Moreover, for the huge trend of vision AI, we have macro camera, SerDes camera, FPC camera, and MIPI CSI2 camera. Etina coordinates with assorted camera partner as well as sensor third party to fulfill your needs. Additionally, when you deploy many edge devices in the field, you probably need a tool that could help you monitor those devices. Here we have a tool called HI, which allows you to monitor and keep track on the status of each device and alert you if the device malfunctions. With simple user interface, HI could help you surveil the devices remotely and easily. AI projects are complex and usually take a long time to implement. Teamwork somehow works better and got a better performance for the development. Etina continues to explore potential partnership and create a powerful and reliable approved vendor list. After my introduction of Jetson, here's the topics we would like to discuss about. According to UN World Population Aging 2020 highlight, the global number of age 65 or over is projected more than double by 2050. There are estimated 727 million persons aged 65 or over worldwide in 2020. Hence, long-term care is one of the popular issues. Next, we are going to invite two of Etina account managers across worldwide to introduce 4 application cases from some of our customers. Let us welcome Jose and Daisy.
Hi, I'm Jose.
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Thank you guys to join us today. Either in Asia or in Western countries, aging population is the top and long-term challenge that all people are going to face now or near future. Maybe we can start from Daisy, then Jose, letting them share the applications in nursing home with us. Daisy?
Okay, thank you, Greta.
Jose and I are going to present a scenario in a nursing home. As Greta mentioned, aging society has been a challenge to us. Due to coronavirus, we are always asked to measure our body temperature when entering into an indoors area. But the traditional method is very inconvenient and very time-consuming, especially when there are a lot of visitors at the same time. Moreover, it is better to keep social distancing to ensure the safety of the staff. So the traditional body temperature checking system should be improved and upgraded into a nicer way. Etina's customers noticed this issue. Therefore, they have developed a fever detector using Aetina's Jetson NX platform with thermal camera. With this edge device, it will automatically detect the hottest area on your face instead of a specific area, even if you are wearing masks, glasses, or hats. It can improve the accuracy and also the efficiency of temperature measuring. The outstanding computing power of Jetson NX can process 10 photos per second. And it can detect all the body temperature of people moving in an area of 4 by 4 meters. The compact size of the NX platform makes the auto temperature detector small and carryable. It can be easily deployed anytime, anywhere. Once detecting anyone having fever, it will send real-time alerts to your smartphone, tablet, or PCs. Also, the detected image and video will be secured with integrated firewall.
Now we get into the building. We may meet some elderly chatting in the lobby. The application I'm about to say is what the elderly may be suitable to use. Okay, as Greta mentioned at the beginning, the aging population is a critical issue nowadays. However, people should have noticed another problem is challenging our society, which is a lack of workforce of long-term caring. Nursing is a challenging work for most people. The elders, just like children, they need timely care and tiny assistance. But their body weight is not as light as children. It requires a heavy load of physical strength for this job. Therefore, fewer and fewer laborers invest themselves in the nursing career. To streamline the lack of workforce and coordinate with the long-term caring system, one of Etina's customers has come up with an idea to help the situation. Among all the elderly population, not all of them need a timely care assistance. Some of them are relatively healthy, although they might need a wheelchair as their mobile tool. Taking the benefit from autonomous car and 5G technology, the smart wheelchair born as a solution. The idea is to make the wheelchair get smart. First of all, put an edge computing platform on the wheelchair with multiple high-resolution cameras. With this added function, the wheelchair can collect local images for a real-time analysis to inspect the environmental condition. The Edge AI device can connect to the control room via 5G network, stably sending and recording the wheelchair's data. When it comes to certain situations, the alarm will trigger and the control room will send immediate help to ensure the goods can be transmitted on time. Aetina Jetson AGX Xavier-based platform will deploy on an electronic wheelchair with multiple cameras such as deep camera and 360-degree surround view camera. Then, the Edge AI platform will run a program with the algorithm for collision detection, navigator, and the environmental analysis, etc. Then, the Edge device will send data back to the control room by 5G connection. As a backup unit, the control room will take the responsibility of remote control if necessary. Also, the control room could include executive multi-data monitoring to ensure the possession of the smart wheelchair. There are two main benefits in this case to the long-term caring industry. First, the autonomous wheelchair solves the lack of nursing workforce and let the elderly to move freely. Second, with 5G technology's high bandwidth, the Edge device can bring a real-time assistance by transmitting video or image data. Meanwhile, provide a secure boot for personal information protection.
On the other side of the lobby, you can see many elderly sitting alone, having nothing to do and no company due to the lack of caregivers. According to a UN report, the global senior population will double by 2050. But the supply-demand of qualified caregivers are not balanced. Researchers have been working through AI to solve the balance, and AI companion robot can be a solution. Now I'm going to show you an example of companion robot. The aim of the robot is to assist the elderly and relieve workload of the caregivers. They can do a lot of tasks at the same time, including 24/7 surveillance, mobility assistant, and entertainment. Let me illustrate in more details. With simple interface, users can easily click the screen to choose the needed functions. The easy-moving robot may run for whatever needed: announcements, emergency call, and assisting people to walk from point A to point B. Besides, it offers many types of entertainment, like playing game, watching video, or calling to their loved ones. More importantly, it can manage medical parameters and connect to healthcare professionals when needed. So, what is the role of our Jetson? As an edge device, the customer uses our Edge AI computing platform in the robot. With trend data of physiology, mobility, and behavior, it helps Jetson platform to influence and respond immediately. The data will be stored in the cloud to help train AI model and improve the interaction between robots and users. It is a classic case that AI can help right away response to help end users. As countries, economies, technology develop, people live longer, and the society is aging. Companion robot not only help solve the issue of the shortage of caregivers, it can also ease dementia and other elderly symptoms, while the robot is interacting with the elderly by singing, dancing, or conversation.
Now, let us step into the world. The increasing sophistication of medical device is a blessing in healthcare environment. Although today's advanced biomedical technology provides an unsurpassed power in diagnosis, monitoring, and treatment, interpretations of vast streams of information often poses excessive demands on the cognitive skills of healthcare personnel. It's always been not enough healthcare providers to take care of patients. As a result, it would be hard to instantly react when patients are in emergency or have some trouble. Especially during the pandemic era, the long-term care resident and the high-risk infected people could be living in the same place. So, they need more caution to avoid cluster infection. It's time to utilize AI and the Internet of Medical Things, which is a combination of medical devices, such as wearable technology and the computer network. The network connects through the Internet to provide a real-time interaction between the care provider and the patient. But how to use it with Jetson? I'm gonna introduce one of our customers' POC. It's a case used in hospital and the LTC institutions, combining Etina's product N110 along with Jetson NX module and wireless cameras. Our customer put the edge device in the LTC houses to help the caregivers easily take care of the elders. With a trained AI model, which utilizes Aetina's Jetson platform to detect LTC residents' movement and determine if they are in danger. For example, if they are tumbled alone and couldn't stand up. The function is thoughtful but not complex. The key feature is the wireless camera. Etina's AN110 carrier board has one M.2 expansion slot, which is compatible with Intel Wi-Fi BT module. The module allows a Jetson device to communicate with cameras, and these wireless cameras can be easily deployed in different surroundings, which is highly customized for any users. It's obviously pretty helpful for both care provider and care recipient. The former don't have to look after each resident at every moment, and the latter could have safer and more private living environment, since the AI device won't keep any record. N110 is Etina's smallest carrier board, which doesn't take up the space in the world. Keep the environment safe and comfortable to the elderly resident in the nursing home.
Many thanks to Jose and Daisy. Of course, there are much more application cases in our surrounding, and we just name a few. That is to say, AI is everywhere. And Etina, as an AI solution company, will tirelessly investigate our resources to design more applicable and practical products for a better tomorrow. Thanks for the listening. If you have further questions, you can go visit our matchmaking room. There will be our team member to answer and share more with you.
Also, welcome to contact us at sales@aetina.com or fill out our online inquiry by scanning the QR code.
If you like us, subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook. More detail to visit our website. Thank you for today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.